If you are looking to create a natural hair growth serum, there are few key ingredients you can incorporate. While there's no magical serum that guarantees hair growth, some natural ingredients can promote a healthy scalp and hair environment, which may support hair growth. Here's a simple recipe you can try. The ingredients are 2 tablespoons castor oil, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon argan oil, 10 drop rosemary essential oil, 5 drop lavender essential oil, 5 drop peppermint essential oil. Instructions. First, in a small glass bowl or a container, combine the castor oil, coconut oil, and argan oil. Add the drops of rosemary, lavender, and peppermint essential oils to the mixture. Stir well to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Transfer the mixture to a dark glass bottle with a dropper or a pump for easy application. Before each use, shake the bottle to ensure the oils are well mixed. Apply a small amount of a serum to your scalp and gently massage it in your fingertips. If desired, you can also apply a small amount of the serum to the length of your hair to promote overall hair health. Leave the serum on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for deeper penetration. Rinse your hair thoroughly with a gentle shampoo and conditioner after the desired duration. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per week for several months to assess the effect. It's important to note that individuals' result may vary, and consistency is the key when using hair growth serums or treatment. Additionally, if you have any specific scalp conditions or concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice.